Welcome. In front of me is a Galaxy Note 9 clone, and I'll show you how to insert SIM card and memory card. So I have a couple of SIM cards right here and a memory card as well, and this paper clip. And now the SIM tray is right on the top right here. So take the pin eject tool or SIM eject tool that probably should have come with the phone and put it right. Give me a sec, I'm gonna place it in a view. So it's like so, you can see there's a little hole for it, and just press down on it for it to eject. As you can maybe see, it's a tiny bit out. So okay. You can see I'm just gonna pull it out and drop it by mistake. And from here you can take the SIM card and put it with the little cutout. You have a little cutout right on the edge, you can see it. And the second SIM card goes a little bit differently, like this, with the cutout on top instead of the bottom. Wow. As you can see, now the second one has a cutout here while the previous one has it right here. And you can just put two SIM cards like so without dropping them, and then slide it in. Or you can also put the memory card in here this way. Make sure it's laying flush with the tray, and then take it and slide it back in here. So I'm gonna hold it and slide it like this, as you can see. So just gonna push it all the way in. As you can see, now it's in, and it asks me for the SIM pin, so I'm gonna put that in, and no thank you. As you can see, the memory card and the SIM card have been read and they're active now. So this is how you put them in. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.